Hello there, picture this. The night just began and you are about to head out when suddenly there was a blackout. The only thing in your hand is this flashlight, and using this flashlight you're supposed to find your lost keys without tampering with anything that is in the house. Well, this is the exact problem that doctors have been facing with cancer treatment. For years, doctors have been trying to find a way to use light and detect cancer cells without tampering with normal cells found inside the body. Surprisingly, scientists have been able to find a way to use sound. Yeah, you heard that right. To use sound to detect cancer cells. Well, mind-blowing, but how do you use sound to detect cancer cells? Well, I'm sure you're familiar with the ultrasound that is commonly used in hospital to detect and see babies during pregnancy. Turns out the same ultrasound can be used to detect cancer cells. Well, a research done by Harrison in 2025 showed that the same ultrasound can be built inside T cells, enabling them not only to live longer, but most importantly, to detect tumor cells without destroying the normal cells found inside the body. Well, you can think of T cells like security soldiers patrolling our body, and their work is to detect a disease. Yes, so the question most importantly is how do the T cell and the ultrasound work? Well, once the ultrasound is put inside the T cells, this result in the formation of an Echoback Tcell System. Think of this system like, you see these mugs that are usually plain, but upon putting hot water or something that is hot, what happens is the heat causes the plain mug to show a new design, maybe the picture of a person, or surprisingly sometimes the picture of an animal. Well, you can dye multiple plain mugs such as those, and they can show you different design depending on what you want. This system works in the same way. In the same way, the ultrasound, once it detects cancer cells, what happens is it acts like a hit button and activates the T cells, which enables the T cells to attack the cancer cells immediately. The surprising things about this system is that this system, apart from activating the T cells, it enables them to live longer. For years, doctors have struggled with the fact that T cells are usually short. They actually have a very, very small short life, and that means they can only be active for like a few hours. Putting the ultrasound inside the T cells enables the T cells to also live longer for like days, and therefore for those days they are able to ensure that the cancer cells are completely destroyed. And also, did you know that the ultrasound adds memory to the T cell? Well, in the next video, that is what I will be discussing about. Thank you so much for tuning in, and all I can say is see you in the next video, where we'll be talking about the Echoback Tcell in much more details. Yes, thank you so much. Keep it at research at DNM, and most importantly, don't forget to like that video and subscribe. Thank you.